Jamie Redknapp has reportedly refused to attend performances of Cabaret, in which his estranged wife Louise will make her return to the stage on a book-wide tour. The former footballer turned entertainment presenter has allegedly been left gutted by Louise's recent admission that she felt like she was a Stepford wife with him and that she was unable to pursue her own career. "It's very telling," a source close to the couple revealed of his decision. "It's her big moment, but he feels it would be too awkward. He's gutted about what's happened. It's unfair to suggest he didn't allow her to pursue her dreams." Speaking for the first time on the breakdown of her 19-year marriage to footballer Jamie Redknapp, Louise admitted that her blossoming friendship with Daisy Lowe led to her rediscovering her self-confidence, and how by week 3 on BBC's Strictly Come Dancing she was wearing just a leotard and leggings for her iconic Flashdance routine and not feeling self-conscious at all. "I could feel myself changing week by week. Sometimes I felt like crying, because deep down inside me this voice was screaming, 'This is what I have been missing,'" said Louise. Now, however, the insider has told The Sun that James was totally supportive of her decision to do Strictly, and that he and their friends don't understand why she had to walk out on the marriage to pursue her own career. Louise told Stella magazine that they are living apart, but that the pair have not yet discussed divorce. "People might look at me and think I've got everything, but a sweeping staircase and designer handbag doesn't do it for me," she added. "Being fulfilled, being true to yourself, following your passion, they are the things that make you happy." Metro.co.uk has contacted reps for Jamie for comment. More Louise Redknapp thanks cheerleader Daisy Lowe for boosting confidence amid Jamie Redknapp split. More Louise Redknapp confirms she is living apart from husband Jamie Redknapp. "I need this" is more Louise Redknapp's husband Jamie spotted without wedding ring a day after singer broke silence on Split.